Hi, everyone. I've got a best 265mm adjustable throw to share today that's just too good to keep to myself. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. To start with, the design is just stunning. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low right now. Smash that link below right now to see the deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.